So to make a cloud, you have to trace the shape of the cloud first. After tracing, you cut the shape. After that, you cut these little strips, colorful strips, and then you paste them on the back of the cloud. Okay. After that, you take a stick and roll these up. So I'm using a thin stick. You can use any stick you want. If you have a toothpick, you can use that too. Okay. So after that, I made little eyes with black chart paper and white chart paper. Then you glue the eyes on. Yeah, be careful that they will face the same side. And then you draw a little smile on the cloud. And then you're done. It is very good for your kids and is a nice decoration. Actually, if you want to hang it on the wall, you can. You can do anything you want.